This video shows how to buy shares of Vertu Motors Plc, listed on the LSE plc under the ticker VTU.L, and provides a quick overview of the company as a UK automotive retailer. This is educational content only and not investment advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example, and after registration you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VTU.L to find the listing. Then select the result that matches Vertu Motors Plc to ensure you have the correct share. On the Vertu Motors stock page, you can read a short company description and view the price chart, so double-check the name and ticker to confirm this is the right equity. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once completed, the position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.